Seoul Forest is a central park in Seoul. Seoul is really crowded and big, so it's really hard to find a good, great park like this. So it's really perfect for chill out with your friends or family together. So they have also like 5 themes here, so you can check it. Hello dude, I'm Hailey from AKT Authentic Korean Trip. Today I'm here in Seoul Forest to enjoy the nice spring in Korea. As you can see a lot of cherry blossoms, so this is perfect spot to take all of pictures with cherry blossom. So let's check it together. Let's go! If you follow the cherry blossom right here, you can see like deer park here. So this is very special also, as you can also feed the deer here. So I want to try it here. So this is like vending machine, so you have to buy your like food here for the deer. Okay, where is the deer here? Let's see. People are feeding already, so let's try it. Come here. Come here. I'm kind of scared actually. Here. Hey dear. Hey dear. Hey dear. Ah! Look at it. Only they're like rushing here. Okay. Here. Oy. They're actually like a big here, huh? No, here, small one. Okay. Wow! So aggressive actually, so passionate for eating. Here. Hey! Hey dear. Hey dear. Deer is cute, but also like I never felt like deer's tongue in my hand, so that's weird. Wow! Oh, so pretty, look at it. Cherry blossoms, everyone will love cherry blossom for sure, right? Look at it, see? So many like cherry blossom trees everywhere, especially only like this part. You can check like a lot of cherry blossom spots in Seoul, in Korea actually. But in Seoul, like every spring, I just come to Seoul Forest to check everything. This is museum for plants and bugs, so I wanna check here. Wow, so the first part you can check cactus here. So many cactus here from everywhere I see. Ooh. Wow, this is like a jungle, huh? See, this is like butterfly garden. See? Oh, this is yellow one. So small and cute. Like butterfly. Okay, and this part you can check the real animals here, I think. Whoa. Is it shark? I think it's shark. See? Wow, it's really sharp here. That's crazy. Oh my god, look at this. This reminds me actually the movie Shape of Love. Shape of Water? Shape of Water, okay. It's like so weird. What is it? It almost looks like a fake, but it's like a big tortoise, right? Hi! This part looks so different here actually, like so greenery here, and you also can check the big lake here. This is kind of a middle part in Seoul Forest. Especially this part, it looks like a central park, like a New York, right? Like New York is like a big building and like big greenery part. I actually like to go to Central Park when I was in New York, but in Seoul, it's also like cool. If I live near Seoul Forest, I'll come here every day, definitely. Spring wind, why it's so cold today? Spring wind. Wow, when you walk along the lake, it's really pretty. It doesn't feel like I'm in like crowded Seoul here. So greenery. This is my favorite spot. Exactly like this spot. Because like the lake is here. And can you see like the beautiful trees there? It's so perfect. And even today, you can check like cherry blossom here, one cherry blossom here. So this is like my perfect spot to take a lot of pictures here. So you have to check here too. It's really cool, pretty. When you come here during the like summertime, it's so green. But now it's like almost like a little baby lives here. But can you see this? Kind of looks like a winter sonata. You know, winter sonata for sure, right? Every K-pop or K-drama lovers know winter sonata. So this part actually looks like it, right? Like Nami Island has this part also, right? This is like so like skinny one. Oh, real skinny. So when you follow this way, you can see like an architecture here. Almost like exhibition here. Let's see. What is it here? Is it like a human? Wow, look at this. This is like so special. So this is the main reason that I come to Seoul Forest, to have a real nice picnic. So you can check everything here, every cherry blossoms, everything. And finally, you can have nice like chill time with your friends, family, with your lovers. So this is like so perfect for everything. So if you come to Seoul, you should visit Seoul Forest to have a like nice chill time together. So this is Hailey from AKT, Authentic Korean Tree, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!
설치 되게 빠른데?
So fast.